You must wait for the battery to reach zero before charging it. This habit came from older nickel-based batteries that could lose capacity if they were charged incorrectly. Modern devices mostly use lithium-ion batteries, which work differently and are designed for regular charging. Allowing the battery to completely drain frequently can create more stress instead of improving its lifespan. In fact, many manufacturers recommend avoiding extreme charge levels whenever possible to reduce long-term battery wear. More Wi-Fi bars mean faster internet. The number of Wi-Fi bars only shows the strength of the connection between your device and the router. It does not measure the actual speed of your internet service. A device can have a full signal but still experience slow speeds because of network congestion, server limitations, or a slow internet plan. The quality of the connection, the router's capabilities, and the number of connected devices can all affect real-world performance. More antivirus programs make your computer safer. Installing several antivirus programs may seem like extra protection, but it can create conflicts and reduce performance. Multiple security programs may scan the same files repeatedly and interfere with each other's operations. A single reliable security solution combined with safe browsing habits is usually more effective. Most operating systems already include built-in security tools that provide strong protection when kept updated. A bigger file size always means higher quality. A larger file can contain more data, but file size alone does not determine quality. The format, compression method, and settings used during creation have a much bigger impact. A smaller, well-encoded video or image can sometimes look better than a much larger, poorly optimized file. This is why professional creators focus on encoding settings rather than simply making files as large as possible. You need to upgrade your computer every year. Technology changes quickly, but that does not mean every computer becomes useless after 1 year. Many computers can remain capable for several years with proper maintenance and upgrade. Replacing a device only makes sense when its performance no longer meets your needs. In many cases, adding more storage, upgrading memory, or improving cooling can extend the useful life of an older computer. Leaving your computer on for long periods destroys it. Many people believe computers must be completely turned off after every use to protect the hardware. While restarting occasionally is helpful for updates and maintenance, modern computers are designed to operate for long periods. Proper cooling and regular maintenance matter more than simply keeping the power button off. Servers used by companies around the world often run continuously for years because they are designed for constant operation. A computer virus will always make your computer slow. Some malware can reduce performance, but not every infection behaves the same way. Some threats may run quietly in the background without obvious signs, while other slowdowns may come from normal causes like full storage, outdated software, or too many startup programs. This is why relying only on computer speed to detect malware is not enough. Regular updates and security scans are still important even when the computer appears normal. Deleting everything from the hard drive makes data impossible to recover. Normal file deletion usually does not immediately erase the actual information stored on a drive. Instead, the system marks that space as available for new data. Until it is overwritten, specialized recovery tools may still be able to retrieve some files. Completely removing sensitive information usually requires special wiping methods that replace the original data. Gaming requires expensive hardware. High-end gaming computers can provide better graphics and higher frame rates, but gaming itself does not always require expensive equipment. Many games are optimized to run on a wide range of hardware, and adjusting settings can allow less powerful systems to play smoothly. The type of game matters a lot because some titles depend more on the processor, while others rely heavily on the graphics card. A new computer is always faster than an older one. Newer computers often have advantages, but age alone does not determine performance. A high-end computer from several years ago can still outperform a modern low-cost machine. A well-maintained older computer with strong hardware can continue handling demanding tasks for many years.